If you don't like feeling overwhelmed but still want to understand your emotions better, then stick around. We've got just the thing for you. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how ChatGPT breaks down complex emotions. Emotions are tricky, right? They're not just about feeling happy or sad. It's a mix of thoughts, reactions, and experiences all bundled together. But guess what? ChatGPT, an AI trained to understand these emotional states, can help us unpack them. For instance, when someone feels anxious, it's not just one thing. It could be a combination of fear, uncertainty, and stress. ChatGPT can break down each of these elements, making it easier to grasp what's really going on. And here's the best part. By using this AI, we can learn how to communicate better with ourselves and others. And it's not just about slapping a label on how we feel. It's about truly understanding those feelings. Imagine being able to say, I'm not just mad, I'm frustrated because I feel unheard. How powerful is that? So, if you're curious about how AI can help us process complex emotions, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.